Welcome to page 8 in your packet. On this page, we will be creating a line plot with the given temperatures. Some of our temperatures are negative and some of our temperatures are positive. There is one correction before we begin. Please change the low temperature of -4 to -7. Once you've made that adjustment, we are going to plot those temperatures on the line plot and then calculate the mode, the median, the mean, and the range in the temperatures. So, you can pause your video while you plot each temperature. Remember, in this case, where we have a -1, we place an X above the number line. A second number of the same value gets another X, and we stack the X's one on top of the other. Pause your video and plot all 12 temperatures. When you're ready, turn your video back on. You can see that our line plot looks like the given. And you may also notice that the main cluster runs between -3 degrees and 0 degrees. Please label that area your main cluster. In fact, we can say that 9 out of the 12 temperatures, 75% of the temperatures occur within the main cluster. It's clear to spot the mode, the most occurring temperature. That would be right here. -1 degrees Celsius occurs most often. Moving on to the middle or the median, we need to arrange our 12 temperatures in order from least to greatest. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here is where we're going to find the median, between -1 and -1. That is the middle value for the data. Clearly, the middle is -1. Now it's time to find the mean or the average. We're going to take the sum of these 12 temperatures and divide by 12. When we do this, combine all the negative values first and then the positive values. When you're ready, take the final sum and divide by 12. Pause the video and add up all the negatives first, and then the positives. When you add up all the negatives, you should have gotten a sum of -22. And the positives, that's a sum of 10. A -22 combined with a +10 gives you a total of -12. Now take that sum of -12 and divide it by 12. Feel free to use your calculator. -12 divided by 12 gives you a -1 degree average. Notice your mode, median, and mean all fall in the main cluster, and all of them have a value of -1. Last but not least, let's find the range between the lowest temperature and the highest temperature. We can see that the lowest temperature is -7. Please place a dot here at -7. Here's 0, and on the other side of 0 is our warmest or highest temperature of +7. The range measures the distance between the low and the high. Please shade in that number line. The equation we would write is the absolute distance to -7 plus the absolute distance to +7. Well, that's a length of 7, and that's a length of 7. We know that they are 14 units apart. The range is 14. Please make sure you have all these notes on your page. And when you're ready, answer the final question on your own. This concludes page 8.